What's up, Internet? So today we're adding cooling fans to a radiator. Now you're like, what tips do I need? Well, if you're using a universal kit like I am, here's some things to look out for. As you can see, my workbench is a mess, like most people's are. So this is the kit I'm using it. I got it from Speedway Motors. It's 910-23108. So what does that consist of? So here's what comes in the kit. It comes with the ties that have a head on them. This one's been cut off already. These right angle brackets, these flat brackets, some foam padding, and most importantly is this tiny little cone right here. And I'll show you why that's important. So you can see I've got the cables pushed through the fins, and it's holding my fan on the other side. And yes, I know it's chrome and it's gaudy, but I got them for free, so you use what you got. So most people would just think, hey, I take the flat piece and I push it on. Well, there's nothing to grip it. So I take the little foam, and it's got some paper on the back that's sticky. I put that with the little ridge part. Make sure you're lining up the holes. And then remember that little tiny cone I told you about? That piece goes right in there, and that is what actually locks on to these ridges. And this part that sticks up, the tail end part, is actually tapered so that cone is self-centering. The reason I use the foam is to keep crushing the core and the fins, and it provides an extra little bit of tension on there. And then you just snip off that with some side cutters. Like that. So as you can see, my fans are all mounted up, ready to go. And I know you're thinking, wait a minute, didn't that kit come with some extra brackets? Yes, it did. It came with these. So if you look, my cooling fans have it. They just will slide, maybe not that one. Yep, they slide kind of down in there like that. So I declined not to use those. They just extra stuff that I didn't really need, but the kit comes with it if you need it. The flathead here holds it good. You can see there's no movement to the fans. So that was a quick tech tip. Like I said, the most important thing is don't lose those itty bitty tiny cones, or else your kit's going to be useless. So just be careful when you're opening up. I almost lost a couple, not thinking. I thought they were just extras. Nope, you need them. So hopefully you guys get your projects going soon.